It's the 14th of August, 2018. We have a scheduled appointment today for a basement drywall repair. Sump pump apparently failed to work or backed up or something and damaged very little drywall. There's like a 2.5 to 3 inch high section on like I think 3 walls. He also wants a piece of drywall replaced in the sump pump room itself because it's moldy, and there's like a 2 foot by 2 foot square section, and then we need to put trim up around the areas that we repaired, as well as a piece of door casing that got busted when they did the remediation. They pulled it out of there. So we're heading over there today to do that. There are a few other little jobs to do at this guy's house. I'm not going to videotape them. Small little holes in drywall, curtain rod that he wants hung back up because it ripped out of the drywall, things of that nature. I'm going to try to record the basement repair of the drywall, let you see how that goes and what that looks like. Let me roll the intro and we'll be on site right after that.
Are you the same one I put in the rug on the floor?
I'm not putting the rug. Somebody else
just
is.
put the sheet racks, that's it?
I put, and the trim.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so we got mold at the bottom of this piece here. So we're just going to change out this piece. This has been painted over, this tape. You can see it's only quality 1, quality 2, the drywall, and then the tape's put on. Nobody has mudded over it. So we're just going to cut that out of there and put a new piece in.
this stuff doesn't sand well. So you don't want to leave it built up. You're not going to be able to sand it. So let's go ahead and say it. Okay, and then okay. We don't need to hit. These wooden doors. We don't just. Alright, so I'm done downstairs for now. I gotta go upstairs and do some things. I wanted to show you, when you tape a corner, you only do one half of it, and then you come back when it's dry and do the other half. So if you see here, I did the tape across the top, and after I bed the tape in, I put one coat on the left side of it. So before we leave today, I'm going to get the other one on there. We'll probably have to come here 2 or 3 times, because I'm going to get all of this trim board cut for in this corner here, so that I don't need to bring the saw back and it'll already be cut for it. As well as this trim board needs to change because it's snapped off right there, so we'll get that cut today too, so it fits in there. And then we'll just nail them all in after we paint it. We still got another coat of mud to stick on this, and then it's gonna have to dry. I'm gonna try to get it on before we leave today, so when I come back next time I should be hopefully able maybe just to sand it and get some paint on it. And then we'll nail the trim up. This room here, all the trim board is up. I think I showed you that. I had to change the camera battery and the card, so I patched a bunch of stuff on the wall for him. I told him I'd do extra. I'm not painting the wall, but what I'll do is I'll take a wet rag and I'll wipe this excess off, leaving just the patch. So it'll just be a couple of white dots. But all the trim is up, as you can see, and I've already caulked it. Show you the other room here. Here, again, one side of the tape, the left-hand side, after we bed the tape in, I coated the left-hand side of it. As you can see, the right-hand side, I don't know if you can see it or not, the right-hand side is bedded, but it does not have a coat of mud on it. You do one side at a time, you could do a better job that way. Use a damp rag. The hole's still filled, the extra's off. Alright, at the end of the day, I'm going to put a first coat on the other side. I think it's tacked up enough to where I can get away with it.